Let's learn about WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 2.4.8 Location. This criterion requires that the user's current location within a set of web pages is identified, using one of the following methods. Breadcrumb navigation. Breadcrumb navigation is a trail of links that shows the user's current location within a website. This trail typically starts with a link to the website's homepage, and each subsequent link represents a higher-level page in the site's hierarchy. In this example, the user is currently on the smartphones page, which is a sub-page of the electronics page, which is a sub-page of the products page, which is a top-level page in the site's hierarchy. Heading structure. Using a consistent and meaningful heading structure can also help users understand their location within a set of web pages. Each page should have a main heading, typically an H1 tag, that describes the page's content, and any subheadings, H2, H3, etc., should be used to organize the content into sections. In this example, the main heading, Smartphones, describes the page's content, and the subheadings organize the content into sections based on the manufacturer and model of each phone. ARIA landmarks. ARIA, accessible rich Internet applications. Landmarks are HTML attributes that can be used to identify regions of the page that have a specific purpose, such as a navigation menu, search form, or main content area. A screen reader can use these landmarks to provide context and help the user navigate the page. In this example, the nav element is marked as a navigation landmark, and the main element is marked as the main content landmark. These ARIA landmarks help users understand the structure of the page and their location within it. By implementing one or more of these methods, you can ensure that users always know where they are within a set of web pages and can navigate the content more easily.